All right, so we got our 3D panels here. Now, when you get them out of the box, there's no adhesive or anything like that. So I'm debating double-sided tape or adhesive. I might just put adhesive, double-sided tape, because I tend to change things around, and I am going to put it on this wall here, so right behind our TV, and it's going to maybe block out some of the holes and stuff like that. So I am going to put double-sided tape. But I'm trying to find out where can I tape it, mostly here in this area. Try not to get the corner so I can at least move them around, easy picking up. So I'm going to try that first. If it doesn't work, then adhesive it is. All right, I put only 4 adhesives on it, all right? And this is our first panel that we're going to put in here. And I want to make sure it's just a lot of static. So I got to make sure that it goes all the way to this side of the wall. I don't care if it messes up a little bit here, but we're going to put this in here. So I put a couple 4 adhesives in here. So let's see if it works. All right, I put it in back of my TV. Little gaps here and there with the double adhesive, but I was able to cut it. And now to cut it, you scissors. Get some sharp scissors, able to cut them. Panels came out great. I still have more panels to go to. I think I'm gonna add one more layer on the top, and that's about it. But I'm not gonna finish the top, not gonna finish the bottom. Look at this guy. But help you out, easy, double adhesive, double-sided tape for 100 pounds. It's not gonna go anywhere. Try to take it off. I was trying to take one off because I wanted to close the gaps, but once you put them in there, be careful, guys. These are gonna stay there for quite a while. So I didn't put any glue or anything because I wanted to take them off and remove them or replace them down the line. Something simple. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Perfect for a background. I'm gonna put it in back of my TV to cover up this large hole I have back here. If you guys can see that. Walls yellow. Perfect. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.